Hi. Create systems with the speed of low code, the simplicity of natural language, and the flexibility of frameworks. This GenAI command creates our project and opens it in a standard IDE. It's a modern three-tiered scalable architecture. It's ready to run, providing this admin app, and a JSON API. Customize in your IDE. Declare spreadsheet-like rules. Extend logic with Python. Extend the API with Python and Flask. Debug with the debugger and the logic log. Automatic deployment scripts. And there you have it, the speed of low code, the simplicity of natural language, and the flexibility of frameworks. Thanks for watching.